Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect contact form 7 to different link based on user drop down option in contact form 7 using script code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using contact form 7 in WordPress. So this is our drop down. Now you see select menu. So this is our option student, professional, and then you see we are using ID colon menu student. So when person selects student, then we are going to redirect another link. If user select professional, then redirect to another link based on drop down value. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to add custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title layer, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select JavaScript snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see document.getElementById. So this is our drop down ID. Now go to form. Now you see ID menu student, back to code, again you see menu student. So you can add your drop down ID and then you see is equal to student. Now go to form again. Now you see same value of student. Also you see professional. Now back to code. If user select drop down student, then redirect to google.com. If user select professional from drop down, then redirect to btdigital.ch. If you want to add more, then you can add value in drop down. Back to code and then copy else if. Now copy paste and then add your value and then add your link. So it's up to you. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location side wide header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. So now we are going to fill this form. Now select and then select drop down student, email, subject, and then click on submit. Now you see after submission redirect to google.com. We select student from drop down. Now back to form again. So now we are going to add information in this form again. Now add name. Now select professional this time and then select subject and then click on submit. Now you see after form submission redirect to btdigital.ch. So back in code, so you can add drop down value and link according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.